Hi YouTubers, it's Adam's Horror Corner. Back with another video after a while off. What I have here is the Texas Chainsaw Massacre family dinner set. I just got this bad boy from Frightmare Collectibles in Texas. They're a horror store that deals with everything from Texas Frightmare weekends in Texas. So I want to show this amazing, before I unbox it, I want to show this amazing artwork. Includes exclusive Grandpa and Sally figures. Oh, there's Sally there. She always looks distressed in that movie. She looks distressed on the box as a cartoon. Oh my god. Then we got Pretty Woman. He's like, relax Sally, relax. It's only dinner. Got the crazy hitchhiker. The cook is always laughing, and you got Grandpa sucking on everyone's blood. All sitting down to a nice, healthy meal of human flesh. I just want to turn the box around. Sally on the side of the box. This is made by Trick or Treat Studios. So you got Sally on the end of the box, Grandpa on the other end, then you got the back of it. So there it is set up. Sally, hitchhiker, cook, Grandpa, Pretty Woman. Human sausages on the menu, like the one Franklin was chewing in the movie. Notice in the movie how he spat the sausage out on the ground. Had some hard bits in it. Oh, yuck. So there's the picture of them there. That classic scene of the dinner set. So you got, in the set you got chairs, armadillo, pelvic bones, skull, chicken box, teacups, mugs, glass, blood tub and hammer. Leatherface is sold separately. The cook, hitchhiker and Pretty Woman, they're all sold separately. There it is down there, the price. Frightmare Collectibles. Pretty fast shipping. Manufactured by Trick or Treat Studios, Santa Cruz, California. Now let's get into it. There it is unboxed. I'm going to pull this over. There's Sally looking absolutely just, look at her face, just fucking terrified. I'm gonna pull all this stuff out. There's Grandpa up there. Grandpa just looks so dead to the world. Comes to life when he drinks the blood. So as you see the table, if I take this plastic cover off, everything might just fall off. I'd rather leave it on, so I'm going to put this in my glass cabinet. So you got the sausages, you got the armadillo, you got the human skull, Grandpa's hammer, You got so many accessories with this dinner set. Let's set it up. Let's give this chair to the hitchhiker. Human bones. Human arms on the cook's chair. Then you got Grandpa sitting at the end of his table. Yum yum, dinner time. Bone chair. Let's give this chair to Pretty Woman. Set it all up. And we got the bucket. That's where they tell Grandpa, hit her, Grandpa. That's the bucket. Sally's head's practically buried in there. Let's put that there. Now you got the blood bucket. Then you, like I showed you, the Grandpa's hammer. And there's Sally. Sally at the end of the table. She don't want no part of this. She's not going to sit there and eat her friends. It's just not going to happen. What she's going to do, if you haven't seen the movie, she's going to escape. Eventually through when they're having dinner. Man, Grandpa just looks so fucked up. He just looks so... Oh man, so old and just decrepit. I haven't unboxed the other action figures yet. This is the hitchhiker, Ed Neal. That's him. I haven't took him out of the... I'm not sure whether to take him out of the box or not. There he is there with that razor. And next we have Pretty Woman. There he's there. There he is at the last scene of the movie, the classic sunset scene. I got all this from frightmancollectibles.com. I'm going to tag him in the video at the end of the video. There's the cook. Barbecue slaughter cook. Always with a smile on his face. That's real Texas hospitality. He's always happy and cheery at the gas station. There he is there. At the gas station saying, you don't want to go looking around these back roads in Texas. You should just keep on rolling through. I don't know if he kind of like warns them about what could happen, but he's like Crazy Ralph on Friday the 13th. He's just warning them they're all doomed if they go to Crystal Lake. Yep, there's Sally, Marilyn Burns, Gunnar Hansen, Leatherface, Grandpa, John Dugan. All great actors. I couldn't imagine any of these other guys, anyone else playing them. Like, I know there's a lot of Texas Chainsaw. Let's get one last look at that table. Wow. Look at that. So cool. It's like a femur bone. Some kind of human bone there. There's that hammer, like I said. Hit her, Grandpa. Hit her. And get one last look at there's Grandpa. Ready for dinner. Right, so if you guys out there want to purchase the Texas Chainsaw Massacre family dinner set, I suggest to get on to frightmancollectibles.com, $70 US, and order yours today. And get the other extra 3 action figures separately, and you've got the whole set ready to roll. This is going in my glass cabinet, all my collectibles, which I will video very soon, bit by bit. So cool, the table. It's just a cool playset. I love it. Delivery's pretty quick with Frightman Collectibles. Well, that's it for me. So, this is Adam's Horror Corner signing off. Love all you guys out there. Hope everyone's well. Whoever's watching this, I don't know. Hit the like and subscribe button to my YouTube channel. It will help me out a lot. And I'll hashtag Frightman Collectibles in this video. Peace out. Love yous all. And always stay spooky out there. It's Halloween every day. Bye. See you soon, everyone. Leatherface. Bye.